Alright, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Gagmola speaking. Today's video, I'm going to be educating you on how you can try to, as much as possible, to reduce tax this coming year, 2026, right? One of the ways you can use to, be able to be on the safest side when it comes to the tax in the year 2026 is the fact that your bank account descriptions must be properly done. And that means if somebody send you money, there should be a way they should describe the business in such a way that it will, when the taxman sees it, they will understand that this is a legitimate transaction, and this transaction is probably deductibles, right? There are some deductible transactions and all. So let me give you a list. So the first one is that, let's say a family member sends you money for something, so they should describe it as gift or family support. So when they are narrating for the business, so maybe you are sending money to your parents for the holidays or something, describe it properly so you can put a gift or a family support. So second one is that, let's say for instance a friend sends you money to pay back a loan, right, or to make a refund or reimbursement. So you must properly tag that particular payment description as refund or reimbursement. So I've made a list. So the third one is that when you move money, your own money from one account to another. So let's say you are trying to make transaction from an FCMB account, you're trying to move money to an OP account. You should tag it properly, tag it as personal transfer or savings. So it should be obvious that this money is moving from your account to another account that is also yours. So this way you'll be on the safe side of the law without any issue. So the fourth one is that when someone lends you money, he or she should write loan received. You understand? So so let's say someone lends you money, he or she should write the fact that this money is being loaned. So that way, when your bank statement is printing that document, that the details are showing that you received this as loan. And if you're also giving someone loan, you must also specify as that it is a loan you are giving out. So that way it will be stated on the transaction receipt, right? So if you put your money into a business, so let's say you want to invest in one of your businesses, or you are trying to set up a particular business, or separate from the current business you're running, or you want to reinvest in that business, you can put capital contribution. So that way it will make it easy. If you don't even know what to do, just be as explicit as possible, donating or releasing money for so business. So but in simple terms, so that it will show in the first set of words, right, you put capital contribution. That would work. So let's say for instance you are a POS person, and this is one of the major things for those doing POS transactions. So if you are receiving money for POS, maybe someone wants to send money to you, most people don't want to use their ATM, maybe it's not with them and they need cash and they want to make transfer to you, make sure you tell them to put POS transaction. POS, that way it will not be coming as if that's your business money. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So it's becoming as if to show that this is just a transaction that was done for point of sale, right? POS transaction. Tell your customer, Oga, put POS transaction in the description, so that when it comes to you, it will reflect. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. And also, you that are sending the money, make sure you put POS transaction. That way, you'll be on the safest side to be able to imply that you were trying to withdraw cash. And if there's anything you want to do with that cash, it will not be like double. You'll not be double taxed twice. Also, right? So you are a business owner and you sell things. Your customers should put narration like, okay, payment for 2 cartons of Indomie. You understand? Whatever the case is, there should be specific details. Now, in summary, if there's anyone, maybe any particular transaction I didn't state, and you feel you want to know what to put there, put your comment in the description. Ask me that question in the description. I would in the comments, right, I would do another video to give that answers to that. But in summary now, one of the ways you can also do that is be as explicit as possible on every transaction. Be as detailed as possible. Don't be very ambiguous when sending money. Don't just put LO, BV. You understand? Maybe be specific. That let it be, if it means writing it in full, because there's a kind of statement you can print, I believe, that would contain the total description, exact description you have given for every transaction you make. And if its transaction is based on your business, make sure you are carrying out transactions that are deductible for the business, that are deductibles means that you don't have to pay tax on them. So if for instance you make ₦1 million, that means if I'm removing deductibles, so I'll be removing expenses like like rent, like maintenance of gadgets, like, you understand, all those basic deductibles, staff salaries and all. So those are the kind of transactions you should be making on your business account. Those ways you can get them deductible. But imagine there are some transactions you cannot make on it that will not be deductible, right? Some transaction, like, just say buying bag of rice, for what? Does it make sense, right? So you have to be explicit as possible and make sure that the description favors you, so that there will not be confusion when you are declaring your tax for the year 2026. I hope this video has helped. If it has, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share this video with as many people as possible. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Angola Ezekiel. Thank you and God bless you.